So in this video, we are going to take the second problem. So this is quite important problem. Okay, so tan inverse x is the function of x given in the question in power of x minus 1 up to fourth degree. Fourth degree in the sense up to fourth degree, we have to find out. That means fourth derivative till fourth derivative we have to do. Right. Now here, next thing is that they have said x minus 1. What is a value then? X minus 1. So always we have to compare it with what? X equal to a, right? But here it is x minus 1. So what happens? If I bring this a this side, it will become x minus a, right? So if we compare it now, so what is the value of a? It is 1, not minus 1. So here the value becomes 1. Okay. Now if we substitute a value as 1, so f of x, we are having the value as what? Tan inverse of x equal to, now this expression becomes what? F of 1 plus x minus 1 into f dash of 1 plus x minus 1 the whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash means second derivative plus x minus 1 the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into the third derivative, right, plus the last term x minus 1 power 4 by 4 factorial into the fourth derivative where a value is 1. Till here we have to do because we have said fourth degree, right? Okay, the fourth degree we have to do. Now a value we got, function is given. Let us now find out f of 1, f dash of 1, triple dash, second derivative, third derivative and fourth derivative. Okay, so f of x value we are having here tan inverse x. We have to find f of 1, right? That is equal to tan inverse of 1. Now which value of tan will give you the answer as 1? We know it is tan 45. So in pi, in radian terms, we can write it as what? 180 by 4, which is pi by 4. Simple. So tan inverse of 1 basically means tan 45 will give you 1 as the answer. Done. Now f dash of x. So the previous function we have to differentiate, right? So with respect to x. So tan inverse x differentiation you have studied in inverse trigonometric function, which is 1 by 1 plus x square. Simple. From this we have to find the value of f dash of x, means f dash of 1. So it will be 1 by 1 plus 1 square. So that will give you the answer as 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 by 2. Next, f double dash of x. Now here the thing is that's why I said it is quite important question, because here we are going to learn one new thing. That is nothing but, here if you observe, if you want to differentiate this particular thing, you can go for what? U by V rule. That is nothing but quotient rule that we can apply and get the value. But after that, if you go for third derivative, again it will get complicated. So in order to reduce the time, what we are going to do is that we are going to take this denominator and multiply with f dash of x. Why we are doing that? Because quotient rule becomes complicated, so we are going for the product rule. So here what happens? You can try it with quotient rule itself. If you'll be getting the same answer, okay, but it will be quite lengthy. So f double dash of x, how we are going to find out? Let us see. This particular thing, if you multiply here, it will be f dash of x into 1 plus x square equal to 1, right? I need what? Which value I need next? I need double dash of 1, right? This is the value I need. So I'm going to differentiate this particular equation. Let me name it as 1. So this particular equation I am going to differentiate. So product rule, first function into second function. So product rule you might have. So you have studied the product rule u into v. So differentiation of that is nothing but first function into differentiation of second plus second function is the differentiation of first. This is what we have to do. The same logic here. So what happens? First function is f dash of x as it is into differentiation of second function, 1 differentiation 0, x square differentiation 2x plus second function as it is into differentiation of first function f double dash of x equal to, here also I have to differentiate, it will be 0, constant differentiation 0. Now if we observe that we needed what, f double dash of 1, here f double dash of x is sitting, right? So in place of x, if I substitute 1, I'll be getting the answer, right? So what happens, I'll substitute in place of x 1. So just write it over here that x equal to 1 we are going to substitute. So it will be f dash of 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 square into f double dash of 1 equal to 0. So f dash of 1, the previous value we have already calculated, which is 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1 is 2 into f double dash of 1 equal to 0. This and this gone. So f double dash of 1 will be equal to what? So this 1 will go right side, it will become minus 1, 2 will come down, it will be minus 1 by 2. So we got the value. So this particular thing is quite simpler than the quotient rule. So we are trying to reduce it to what? UV rule, product rule. We can try it with the U by V rule also. Okay. Now next we need to find what? So f double dash of 1 we got. Now we need to find f triple dash of 1. Right? This is the value we need. Now how to do that? Again, first equation we cannot differentiate. So this, after differentiation we got this equation, we name it as 2. Now we are going to differentiate second equation. So differentiating second equation, you see here, this is one part, this is another part. Okay. So here you can apply UV rule. Here also you can apply UV rule, both the sides. So first I'll take, so first function as it is into differentiation of second, 2x differentiation 2 plus second function as it is differentiation of first, so double dash of x plus, now here also UV rule, so first function as it is into differentiation of second, so triple dash you got plus second function as it is into differentiation of first. So 1 plus 2x, 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. Okay. So here you also observe that this particular thing you needed, right? You got that particular thing. Now just you have to substitute x value as 1. Before that, if you want, you can simplify the equation. 2x double dash, combine both. So what will happen? This particular thing can be written as 2 into f dash of x plus 2x and 2x will get added. It will become 4x into f double dash of x plus this particular thing. So this particular equation can be named as what? The third equation, because this will be needed for finding the fourth derivative. Okay. Now here we'll be substituting 1 as the x equal to 1. So it will be 2 into f dash of 1 plus 4 into 1 into f double dash of 1 plus 1 plus 1 square into f triple dash of what 1. Done. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4 into double dash of 1 value we already got it, which is minus 1 by 2 plus 2 into, here sorry, here equal to 0 is there. So I forward right, equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. Triple dash of 1 equal to 0. So we'll simplify, 2 and 2 cancel, 2 2s are cancel, then what is left out? So it will be, from here what is left out? 1. So 1 minus 2 plus 2 into f triple dash of 1 equal to 0. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay. So that implies triple dash of 1 equal to what? Minus 1 will become plus 1. So 1 by 2. Okay. So we got triple dash also. Now we have to go for what? The fourth derivative. So which equation we have to take? We have to take this equation, third equation. So differentiating. So here 2 into f dash of x differentiation. 2 is a constant, so you keep it as it is. F dash of x differentiation double dash, right? Second derivative. Now 4x is one term, this is another term. So two terms are there, function of x, we have to apply what? UV rule. So here it will be first function as it is into differentiation of second function plus second function as it is into differentiation of first function, which is 4x differentiation 4 plus. Here again you have to differentiate using what UV rule. So here also first function as it is into differentiation of second. So you got fourth derivative plus the second function as it is into differentiation of first function, which is 2x, right, equal to 0. This is very important, right, equal to 0. So any terms to be combined, you have to see carefully. Here f triple dash, same terms are there. Here double dash, same terms. So combine, it will become 2 and 4. It will become 6 f double dash of x plus here 4x and here 2x. So 6x triple dash of x plus left out term 1 plus x square into f fourth derivative of x equal to 0. Now as we know this particular thing we needed, right? Now we have to substitute the value x value as what? 1. So what happens? 6 into f double dash of 1 plus 6x x I cannot write, I have to write x value as 1 into triple dash of 1 plus 1 square into the fourth derivative of 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this particular value we need, this particular value, this particular two values we have already. So f double dash of 1, if you see, it is minus 1 by 2. So you have to substitute here minus 1 by 2 plus 6 into this value we got it just now, which is 1 by 2 plus 2 into f the fourth derivative, right? So 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 0 will go that 0. So 2 will go that side, it will become 0. So fourth derivative value becomes what? 0. Okay. So we got all the values. Now we have to substitute in the equation. So f of x equal to what? Tan inverse of x equal to f of 1. So f of 1, what value we had? We had the value as pi by 4. So let us see back the values, all the values if we have to require. So f of 1 we know pi by 4, f dash of 1 1 by 2, right? Double dash is minus 1 by 2, triple dash is 1 by 2, and fourth derivative value is what? 0. Substitute all the values. X minus 1 into f dash of x value we know it is equal to 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 factorial means what? 2 into 1 into f double dash of 1 value we know it is minus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 cube whole cube divided by 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 into triple dash of 1 value we know it is 1 by 2 plus the fourth derivative no need to write because anyways we'll write here it is 0 we know, right? 0 we know, this particular value is 0. So now simplification, f of x value equal to tan inverse of x pi by 4 x minus 1 by 2 plus now this particular thing becomes minus, you have to put, right? So here minus is there, so that's why minus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 4, then plus x minus 1 power 3 divided by this is 6 into 2 12, right? This will be the final answer.